guys, I'm just right here finishing my last makeup. Then I have to leave because I have school. I have a test in 1 hour, so yeah, I better start leaving. Otherwise, I haven't done anything much this morning, just studying and like talking to my friend who lives in Riga. I miss her, she's there studying to become a doctor, so that's good, I guess. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to go to school, then I'm going to go to my work and eat something and talk to my boss a bit. And later I'm gonna meet my mom and we're gonna go fix our eyebrows because look at them, they look awful. And they're also starting to get very pale. So soon I won't be having any eyebrows because I have like really white hair like you can see here. So yeah, that's not good. At the evening we're gonna spend with Shirley, I guess. We're going to study or grab something to eat, depends on the mood. Yeah, that's about it. I will update later during the day, so that was all for me. Bye!